Hey there, thanks for tuning into today's video. If you're a driver who values safety and wants to protect yourself and your vehicle, then you need to hear about the AZDOME M550 3-channel dash cam. This incredible piece of technology is a game changer for your driving experience, and I am so excited to tell you all about it. First off, let's talk about the crystal clear 4K recording capabilities of this dash cam. With a resolution of 3840x2160p and a wide-angle lens that covers 4 lanes, you'll be able to capture every detail of your drive. The Super Night Vision feature ensures that you have superior image quality, whether it's day or night, for added security on the road. But that's not all. The 24-hour parking monitor and smart accident monitoring make this dash cam a must-have for any driver concerned about their vehicle's safety. With a built-in G-sensor and motion detection technology, you can rest assured that the camera will activate when needed and capture the crucial moments. And let's not forget about the GPS tracking, built-in Wi-Fi, and free AZDOME app that lets you track your driving route and access your footage with ease. The loop recording and time-lapse video features also ensure that you never miss a moment, while saving memory and keeping your recordings organized. This 3-channel dash cam supports front, cabin, and rear camera views, making it the ultimate tool for recording real-time vehicle conditions and beautiful scenery while on the road. Trust me, once you start using the AZDOME M550, you won't want to drive without it. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to order your very own AZDOME M550 3-channel dash cam today and take your driving experience to the next level. Ensure your safety and capture every moment with this incredible piece of technology. Don't miss out, order now before it's too late. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.